Ner malaken yam ka nas dialtin kontin barwani lingwaseme kan online TV channel anda manduni chan kosnyak malyanong roine gwaseme an wala shanka dioka pay bangwan ron kina dangro wudi jan dangro wudi diech lerin ban lingwaseme kala to goliang brought to palping ka liang dien bantin dial kon togre wike so Sudan ko kon tog ban ka lingwaseme ne ye kala to ko ken ba to ban nywa ke la reida gorno jin bi thuk an larama ko bi mandan lero de bi kulangach kenyam man gora bi angajanu gorjen o deneten kon batila link tok english de kana lingba ka tukde kenyam bena lat ka tok kawaine den ka kora bejenu ye ka tok nat ban je cholinga gwa ka do badan en chineme chetwokaje an wanaten in Juba 2nd September 2025. Fighting has erupted once again in part of central Equatoria and Upper Nile, raising fear that South Sudan may be slipping further away from peace. The Sudan People Liberation Army, in opposition, SPLA-IO said its forces clashed with government troops in multiple areas over the past 3 days, leaving several people dead and many others wounded. According to SPLA-IO spokesperson Colonel Paul Gabriel, the heaviest fighting took place Wednesday morning near Wunalit, Juba County. He claimed that SPLA-IO ambushed a convoy made up of the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, National Police, and National Security Service, 7 government soldiers, including Colonel Juma Festo, a former IO officer who defected, were reportedly killed. Lam also reported that on 1st September, SPLA-IO 5th Infantry Division launched an attack on government position in Matiang, Longashuk County, inflicting what he described as heavy human and material losses before withdrawing for tactical reasons. In addition, the SPLA-IO said its 7th Infantry Division repelled an attack on 31st August by SSPDF troops and allied Agwelin militia in Tonga, Upper Nile State. Lam claimed government forces were pushed back with significant losses. The report, however, remained unverified, and SSPDF officials have not yet issued a response. The government spokesperson, Major General Lure Kong, earlier released a video showing a wounded SPLA-IO fighter identified as Red Thuk, who he said was injured in Longashuk, an attempt to counter-claim of government casualties. The situation in Upper Nile and Central Equatoria remains tense. Local sources in Matiang say that army youths have joined the clashes, further complicating the violence. Despite a 2018 peace agreement that was meant to end year of war, outbreak of violence like this continue to threaten South Sudan's fragile stability. The renewed fighting once again underscore the heavy price ordinary citizens pay. Many are displaced, cut off from aid, or forced to flee their home in search of safety. Joling yan magwasame, chalado ka shankaro kapay bangwan ruan kina dangro jan dangro de diech. Chikorcha tuɔɔk re wujin chalke Central Equatoria ka penal. Jonating wan chukomoy dual medita long re wika South Sudan. Jagujano en kore me ba mal beje yar. Tela mal meno. Chajo me chajala de kume SPLA-IO la people Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition. Chikala no shiremu shirene me tuɔɔk kam de ni kume kirme yadit kene de ni SPLA-IO de ni Dr. Machar kan konin tetene. Wan tema ka konin dangdiok gwas di alray wich ke Equatoria kana panal chikorra to chika tuɔɔkten. According to SPLA-IO spokesperson Gun Mishalka Colonel Lam Gabriel Shela do nene ajani chikorcha tuɔɔk ka shanga diok ka runwang dor Mishalke wuna let ka Juba County wuna let tiega kene Juba chikan lado no chikum SPLA-IO de neken de ne SPLA-IO chikan torbil majalke de ne SSPDF de neken mayadit chikan nyuraka are torbiela money wati national police tegatin ti national security service tegatin ti 7 government soldier ne dangbaro ti la de ni kir bana tegarede wona ka wudo dien mishala kol na Juma Festo mila former IO officer rami mamla chakona ran SPLIO jakula de faki chartia ko kum kirma yadit awa shanak and wudo money chicken night chetato ikan kana ka joran chicken lat keja wa chicken turbila mo chicken ambush ke chicken nyurika ka shukan nei tilaji kuma SSPDF shukan kana kan kwas money lamba shenyo lad no ne jene ka changa kel ka pai bangwan no shikuma SPLIO 5 Infantry Division wa chicken kuma chicken mark rewi ka matiang longa shukanti alo shukoro mo chawo ladan winami kalung shu kanti shwala do shikoro mo tuɔɔk ke kan jete gane to ngwanba ti cha yeken ba cha ba da gwatmone kan shikume SSPD abo kan sha ka jojba ka jikan ne to ngwan jikan ga mo ka board ke jikan kanak ka kan ka kore jilam Gabriel jelad no shu karden chu wujre wich kama tiang town ngot ka banni kare wich kalung shu kanti kan jikan mishale tactical withdrawal jikan alat nyok ka kuma SPLIO ka 7 Infantry Division ga chanja nang de kel ka pai badak ron kin rawi jandang rawi de diech shi kuma SSPDF micho da mat ka gwelek militia doran shal ke tonja ka penal state kilam Gabriel jilad no shiken kuma shikan jo tenan winami ajane shi kuma ba kala tegane ya mu ka board kene to ngwande shanak re kuramo chala do ne chi tishit kiti wa shika tuɔɔk. However, wa kan kuma SSPDF kan mishir kana me kan verified wa kan comment SSPDF ka joran jikan lat kan no chikan kuma SPLIO chikan ka joj ramkel mila spokesperson Major General Lure Kong jala do ne ajana chikan ri kontela SPLIO ka tonjab chikan ka joj ka joran lat kaneja ka SPLIO chikala no kan ka jo chicken kuma SSPDF chicken joj wuri shalga me Major General Lure Kong karoy me chalat kere ka dana tuɔɔk kalango shu kanti jala do ne chikaram kel ka jene nuare ke ganware won mishal kere tuturuk chicken cap no gwada dana na tukorche tuɔɔk waji korma je tuɔɔk chicken wudu ma kana cap ka chicken bar chicken mo ka board chikala do wudu ma chanang re ka jubaken ko ba jo interrogate ke ba jo tijen widnami dong de jo dwech ke be kana la de long ko do badanen ran kuma ka je ran kuma dakre ma char ka je be jawlat ja nang re wi ke juba aram shit ka tamane shalare turuk ti jarol lure kong che video mo chelas ke Facebook da jero lure kong jen gan wereba ne de kona nyere wejen winami ka lungu shukan weri Major General Lure Kong aram kel mi monwer mit tekel ke kirma yadit kaneten content hakan weri ke kaneten content gorno de nwer de kanak ko ken chiga mat ke jang ne ga gwad mshiwa so di yana ngati nono en situation ndana to ka panal ken Central Equatoria ngode we ka mebeje ano mishalinga no chikoje to biadi ngaje no kormo to ka kam kume SPLIO kene kume kirma yadi de la kume jane chajo mo chajalat ka jo chalat gwasmeken kene shingwani nuari shigarin mat ke kume SPLIO kalongo shuk kene den kontin nyen ke kume SSPDF gwada shi ajalinga no shi kume SPLIO shi kene claim no shi kan matian ki kene ka kora den shukor den wochen gwana mane wa kur mi shit kana me wa che 2018 peace agreement che yar tayi dane de ko de ja kapchonga je ngai kondiale en go 2018 peace agreement ala ron kin dangrol badak ano baje yar shi kume SPLIO kuma kirma yadi ko kire jaram dan logo bi malbe ben ke jaram dan tika lwang ci dem ngai konen wo chaja kam lwang kelio jen ko lenen tanke 2018 peace agreement jen kana dakran machar den ka kore yo gorno be dakran machar be yen ko she gorno te ka mal mi ben jen nen yen tamaliuna ka to ko te ten rai wi ka so Sudan ado mi she loko jejan ci wo lok rek machar loko mal ba jen point logmo jaram dan long mal ka jowling yana gwasmen wo mal bagwa be ben ko mi shikir che mal che janok man me kana mal kana janok nyod jeno tel mi shala mal rai wi ka so Sudan kujamo de kontika ngach kamishit kenamene ka do badan en tuɔɔk ngwane tuɔɔken keje ko gor kono banti dial bana kalin ka dobdien gor jano bana to bana jalat kir jaram dan en logo bi malba ben rey wicca ka South Sudan chere mangay kono ko mi ram no go bi malba ben chechere ala ka chechere an wal but ko logo je and then we do dien magore je en go bwej be je ka je atekon ke report chala do South Sudan delegation to attend UN General Assembly amid criticism like ram kel mala vice president rey wika South Sudan chala do jen no bo gwas mi cha UN chicken kum South Sudan chicken cholten ka New York ban jom ban jelin kel ka do badan en cha to ka je no ka nyam ban jalat ka to kawaine ka kor ban jelin ka tungnat. While fighting wreak at home, South Sudan leadership is preparing to take part in global diplomacy. The government announced on Tuesday that Vice President Joseph Lagu will head the country delegation to the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly in New York later this month. The UN formally opened on 9 September with the high-level debate set for 23rd to 29 September. Lagu, the Vice President of South Sudan, a member of the Sudan Opposition Alliance, which is SWA under the peace deal, was appointed by President in February after serving as Agriculture Minister. She is expected to deliver a statement outlining South Sudan political transition, economic recovery effort, and humanitarian priorities. However, the announcement has sparked criticism at home. Termanyangad, which a South Sudan human rights advocate, urged the UN to block the official delegation, arguing that the government has failed to implement critical part of the peace agreement. Half of our people are living in exile or as internally displaced. Families are starving. Civil servants have gone unpaid for more than 3 years. Yet, leaders are traveling abroad to represent a country they have failed to fix. Manyang said in a statement. He also condemned the continued detention of political figures, including First Vice President Dr. Machar, calling it a violation of the peace deal and betrayal of national reconciliation. Allowing this delegation to attend the UN Assembly is not only a misrepresentation of the people of South Sudan, but also a waste of international resources. Manyang added, calling on UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres to take a tougher stance. A world leader prepared to gather in New York to discuss peace, climate change, and development. South Sudan finds itself torn between international diplomacy and unresolved conflict at home. For ordinary South Sudanese citizens, the headline about military victories and foreign conference offer little comfort. What they continue to ask for is simple peace, food, and chance to rebuild their life. Jolin kon magwaseme roñ mishalat kume ala UN General Assembly cha kum South Sudan cha ka chol ko bikanu rewutin binami chol ke ko kan bikan South Sudan bikanu represent cha chegame makukon nen gwaseme jen cha ja chol bawe ala ram kelm bi South Sudan ba jaw represent wan dole me dol kame dol ka je New York ka jan korpa du benene wa UN General Assembly she can come South Sudan can la jor but take a me to organ tama wa dole me dolen jan badag den ka United Nation General Assembly wa kan bi kan lep ka chang bangwan ka pai bangwan ron kin dangro jan dangro de chama en gwadran bana writing chala do New York ka baje to ka chang jan dangro wi de diok wona ka chang jan dangro de bangwan ka jan pai bangwan to kontena Lagu jen ramke mela vice president ka jen member ki te ka bon chal ka South Sudan Opposition Alliance man chal swa wa kam jo position mo ka jen 2018 peace deal da ne shalat wayu kama ka fire akir mi yadit jen wale da la kwera agriculture minister no one when ma chai chu kwanya langu la kwera chala do jen bo wore wichin binami kay gwadul man walat ka be South Sudan political transition and economic recovery effort bajo latne ti ta dana chuina ka je men gor ka humanitarian aids ka je kum South Sudan bajo lat bon winame amishit kana me chaja la no South Sudan wo de ken jende kan wo ka UN awa mi jega long ko de ken chikan gor no te mal medeben termanyanga du te jom chalat gwasame termanyanga ram la rach ka human right advocates no la raj mete missionen den bajalar chang man chaja lenka kum kirm yadit jaji UN chega jogo no dera gwano de yenetin kontila South Sudan official delegation de en ka block chaga de jago woken commission mission mi mommi mittel milet kene la gwano wej me dong to malte tenden ba ne ba ku shol but wej me kan mala kana konu gen koretino ne ga gwaze dan ci ko to 2013 chu man tam tel mishal mal ano a jenen nang ne entity ti shal gati government officials they were South Sudan can represent outside the country so one editini chicken len manana wonyam ko tel mi chicken long tel mal mi chicken no re which kan wode chalga ke ji wan ku ko la no gor jeno ne de ka lele de ka block chicken de wo ko tel peace implementation chicken la tel mal mi shala de kan ne me ways of resources ways of international resources la yar kan yo ko bi international community bi kan yo kan alaka ate ke leader to gor kare gu dan te ten te bo rai ke kwina ta dan de wite ge ka ngai kana ne de man rai wi ke South Sudan ci terma nyang la no teram ma ci yo ci ge jek te na karundial more than 3 years tel civil servant ci kan yo ken ci kan ge jek ka leader lad kan wo karar jel kan rar ko ko yo ko kan gala west ka ngai kana no ci ka South Sudan ci kan fail terma nyang ci jomu ci da mo ci jalat chala do wonena I condemn the continued detention of political figure first by President Riek Machar ajane che logo longo ngume den Dr. Machar der ngut committee yenamo ka Dr. Machar de jaluñ ci jomo ci jalat chene de konti la jiyu an ci jogo no anwo biane de konti la government official ke ne de kon la lat ci committee la gua e were wi ke gwadu la ke UN janna mo shimo kwa na many wo chicken to kan bola dun binami na me ways of international resources ci manyang ci jom ci mo ci jalat ke UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres ci jogo no dara gwano de yen mo gwade yen realeka ko dong sia de gorjeno de yen cholo ke kanete ko na yar ke South Sudan bi ko lo rajin binami ka tel mi ci kan luang rewi gwasame ci jomo ci de kwen no mi shit kan me ci chong ano de ka kapchunga te diality ngai kone kuma South Sudan me rai ke kirma yadit tel mu gam le de ka do brande mal dara ben ka ja so ngai kon dial mishit kana me en go karik tilat ke kuma kir so dara gwano de kan tu dial kon gur ka de kan kariala ka bat ke ko lokane ka chicken diar bo tin kon lat ke rodien ajen munong ri kone jordan balat gwasa me mishala netin kon tin la jikara bakare which kajuba mental ke jetko jetko te ko mi kala no shito ka ne ken kan te ne ken dangro to ton kan ne shaga ka ba karabe an karab no mone shane de ti shaka na ka jawran ti kana lat warga me gor kan ka shankaro na ka pai bangwan ron kin dangro de jan dangro de diech kan ne chire ga me chatok kan ne jangne condolence kan ne kontela family members kan ne dangro to kon chiliu ka ta dan ti kan lat ke ja kan ne dangro tin kon ya lado cha electrocuted wa ken ke technician ano wa cha na hospital waram kel take bot dioje a minor injuries no so chicken jo mo chikalat gwasame but dio jaram kel ke jaram dan dong chirik che jeg dio je ka joran jikanalat so mungu ye gwasame wa karabe che je ga lonko karabe mu cha longa control der kulo gwade so jo me mi chikan link chirmnen yana mu gwasamane ano top kan jawrin ga kwinen kenten content dong chiliu ka chikan boti kan ga jekre wucin winami ka juba rai wika South Sudan na madar gwano de yana ngach murai kon ko den werde ka wonyam ano re cordiality let not forget that Nuer gor can unity kor tuɔɔk ti rai wika panal no ko kolar no panal mentin kon tuɔɔka ka tunja no te kon kan wore te kwikir me yadit te kan ne kon targa kor tama amene tunja la kon rajanu ne kon targa kor winami e kai tat batin warte gaten te won mishal ka general kong to ran SSPDF deputy chief of defense forces no wuda money te ka jom chalat gwasame mugorno banyo ya kel ka tada na chelat keje ko kanetin konen dong cha gorno dong de noron yam kanit kon shunge kir mi yadit no ngai kon no titi Nuer kan kwa user nun kon wala kon aguje no kon dong tele kon mi millet kon ki like it la kon jang la kon ka belo jang kaniten kon tin dong naka kon but ne kon kan Nuer ne de naka kon kan Nuer shiga jang kwale la kwa kana ke de question wona ne ngu jakkono ko ba Nuer kon ba ko jo me chalat ke Tuesday you know la netin kontin shal ke SSPDF SSPDF report me mchakaran gor malara yemene you know warga mchikana gor ka shankaro ka pai bangwan would ne na mashala general kong to you know take jo mchalat gwasme gore report ana be ka kenire kondi la jikume ke nekir me yadi tanwar shara wona na jana shikan strategic town dung tonja mentre wika pana state shikana kep ko kuma SPLIO forces eka kornin ten paiwo chicken jomo chicken lat South Sudan People Defense Forces say it took control of the town from the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition SPLIO which had held the area for several months. Tonja chakam wala jukum SPLIO jeteneka pat na gwade dan yigana kep koje Tonja headquarter of Fanyakang County jen gwad mi mo chikor je toktan long ka gwad mi cho latin wate ka kwikel katekan tichwalga ted men jang bote ka kuje den so mi chit kana me mi chora lat ka jo dana chalat ka je ka kore dana chito ka kan two rival faction chete ka nete mo shunkel ka kirmi yadit no wena ka nete kon la jor me chan lengwa se dan no en kore chito ka tunja cha captain men Russia ne duno tele Nuer mi chala do cha kabre wuchin widemi duno Nuer men ta me jara madan che felke men chalat no te kor ka Nuer ano ka jo chalat gwasme she chela do na gwasme en general kong tawme the SSPDF Deputy Chief of Defense Forces for Operation visited Tonga on Tuesday jani che waka Tonga no ka che wore wichin winami chana jo chana million gwada malade
otan yerja fi maro ma fi dol basal lakin lo jid basala ila de dina sala motan yerja lakin yerja madul sala tajrid bitadan sala ma bade naw لما نبدأ بعدين بنقول لاي موطن كلي يجيب سلاح بتاعه لكن هسه بنقول إن أنت لو جاي كلي سلاح بتاعك في محل بتاعك.
جاني go ne te country la citizen no dega lo ire which you know dega bere which tele ka mete te jalga ka jane kan e mai kan ne kaf General Kong Toa, the SSPDF Deputy Chief of Defense Forces for Operation, visited Tonja on Tuesday to inspect the area and urge residents who had fled the fighting to return. We want the citizens to come back, but without gun, he said. We have not started collecting weapons yet, but if you're returning, please leave your gun somewhere. Jo mo chela jogane diala no na lunjo kagone no bia me kun bia ka banpin ude Major General Michael Majo commander dung SSPDF division bo division 2 je kan la no chike tuja je kan kap ko chol kan ne diala konen char bare wuje na lunjo ka Panyakang County resident Panyakang County de lunjo ko ntame cha pizza charge restore region te kamal telelerek so ngai kone government propaganda ka jom jikalat gwasa me kan chine area me chine control ko kuma SPLIO antama de yerun kurit de lunjok Panyakang field commander Major General Paromi Agwe jelado nene kan de ni she can reopen critical route for river and land transport de kan she can yer kan nyomlep kan antama mijene ka el liri ka Sudan South Kodafan wona ka capital Juba kan shi kan yeti kan labanta mu de na de ku jal freely no chikan jomo kan lad from today onward the road will open, they said. We are here to secure the area and ensure access to transportation. Some go in malat ke kir de ni kir lat kan o she can do up chicken leb kan kan no to courten, so you mean that she can take a control chan jordan million gwas menyok
بلد يا ورا روكلاس والمواطن يرجع مال بتاعه الشكر الكبير برجع للرئيس لأن الرئيس ياوين دوير الكبير كان يرلو المنطقة ده هي تادو لو أن ياو وقع ماجيج وياوجي ماشي عمل أمله شنو التاريخ سو الشكر الكبير برجع للرئيس لكن من رسالة للشعب من يوم الليلة شهر بكون فات الفضل البسيط ده نار بنتم يومين ده بنتم شهر الليري وشهر الماشي جوبا نار بنبتاو الجيجات كان يبتاع شوارع والجيجات كان عملوا معي لموتهم
ka George kan lat gwasme kan the SPLA could not immediately be reached for comment. Lat kan magor kan ode ne dialde kalun jok kan go icha do cha jare aleka chol kan tadan ode kan lo jokre which ne dial kon sharen bar amen were bo miten wana mo dere bende lun jok jodan kan lat gwasme ne jikan yu nyaw gwar wona ne the SPLA could not immediately be reached for comment. However, in a statement released on Tuesday evening, SPLA spokesman Colonel Lampol Gabriel said its 7th Infantry Division had successfully repelled a joint offensive by the SSPDF and Agweleng militia in Tonga on Saturday. The regime forces were defeated and pushed back with able losses, Gabriel claimed. Chicken Jom Chicken Mexican Kume Spela, Chicken Kume, SSPDF Chicken George. Kan chicken ga George ka jodan shala da Colonel Paul Gabriel ka GSSP diabeto ye kan chicken Tony chicken fight ka cha nyoko laden kuma SPLA uno na mechi talk. The two sides are signatory to the 2018 replies peace agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan, which aimed to end a 5-year civil war that killed an estimated 400,000 people. However, key provision of the real, including the unification of forces, drafting of a permanent constitution, and holding of national election, remain largely unimplemented. President Salva Kiir, Vice President, and SPLA leader Riek Machar, who is currently in detention, and other political leaders signed the fragile agreement. The United Nations has warned that the country risks sliding back into widespread conflict. The United States and other Western embassies have repeatedly urged Kiir administration to de-escalate tension. Kuma kirma yadit majika la kana shiga tonja chikana kep ka cha nyoga lat bo Paul Gabriel no na me shi talk no would pay in turnen go actually kwang to. So these are the people didn't qualify use kirma yadit cha nyoga lat bo ne netin konti la SPLA lat kana no man cha la de SSP de chi talk tonja ngure te under control of SPLA ka jodan chikana lat. So titi kana go kontin gor no de nywa yekel mitike midong de lar gor pingwasamo kamishejan den nywa kanete koken tuya pro jeno bi video ne koken gwato bika gwich kamijiram jidid ba ku subscribe ko bi ten kona lat kroden biken chamala shukje amji subscribe and then be notification bell bujatwan anytime to take a new video mishar ladrach bi chamala shukje shu japaro jeno bi video bi ben ka kona maka bi gwich an bi atagamal bye bye en wale ke shenga dioka pai bangwan ron kina dangro widi jan dangro widi diet te kon ka breaking news me bana link rai wika South Sudan doren shuale ke mai wut ka penal te ke ler mishalad me gora banwa ya kel Ramadan la governor dung greater penal kwang shorale chala do jen she Ramadan la kuer kamai wut je suspend ke je caption honorable Läär Jotwan bana ler ti bana kalik Läär da man bana writing ka kore bana write ka kwi Paul ka kwi nie ke ti cheer ti cha yo ken cha kama je chuer yo to ko yo tu ngwan long bana kalin ka je Läär mene bu kono nyogo right bo ka Läär to ko ken to ngwan bo. Today I will bring you news from Upper State and Warrap State in South Sudan. We will talk about the suspension of Mayut County Commissioner, an army robber that targeted teacher in Warrap, and also we are going to talk about police action after the robbery. Please stay with me and I will give you full report. The governor of Upper State, Lieutenant General James Kwang Shorale, has suspended the commissioner of Mayut County, Honorable Läär Jotwan. The suspension started on Wednesday, September 3rd, 2025. The governor gave a written order, but the order did not say why the commissioner was stopped from his work. This decision comes only a few days after the meeting of Upper State commissioners. In the paper, the governor say, I, Lieutenant General James Kwang Shorale, Governor of Upper State, give this order number 2025 to Stab Honorable Läär Jotwan, Commissioner of Mayut County, Upper State. The governor did not explain the reason, but some information online say maybe there are people who want to take his position. Some also say this could bring fighting in Mayut. This story is still a developing story, and we will continue to follow and update you when new detail comes. Jawalat kona magwase me rajadana shalat ke kwi lar jotuan. Lar jotuan chalado jen chaje kap chunka kwere. Wooden chalke ekwang shora le ramdan le governor dung apnar state. Ngay kondi alano kwang shora le te pinkir me yadit. And Robadana Chala Jagwasame, she Kwang Chora Le Shawarga Gorn Nene. Jenny Show Ramadan la Commissioner Dung Mayut County, Larjotuan, Chaja Kapin, Kajodana Chalat. Shawarga Shajo Gorm, Benua Yakel Guasame, Kadobadan and Shalat Kaje. Gorjan will be our Gabiajanen. Come and chaladune, a Jenica order, kick a long machakame, a Jenicha kume, men, Tereka my wood, a chaquera the cupping. She let Jotuan, Chajo Guas and Dan a ledatin, Kojana commissioner, and or a witch and winami. And Dobadan and which a let Jotuan Kaja Kana Kongash. Mike a Japanian one me, a Siaseki politic, and Okajoma Chalada my wood county, what take it in one lot Corodianten. What take a roll to torch it ko Wikajan wo don't take a corridor a lot. But Yagujano Lerjo to an Awagijan was Shiram Kel Kabon Kume, SPLA, mented doctor, mented Kirma Yaditin. Wikajan wo taken ka party and Odian, Kia Bondadian. But Dobe many Michito gonna take a Joma Charlotte Kakoninton Paiwa. Quadilla Quinmadonga Janmadana Koso ba Lerjo to an Baja suspend Ki Baja Kapchong, would a shalka me Kwang Shora lane. Conating one quick command. Le rode chagujino don kwang shora le woje ler jok donc politique kim chode lat ka jom cheling la personal jom cheling waler joto an wate ka pardo din ke bondo din deo je kanetin kontin goro de nuare de kan kaladika kwaje le logo kum kirmi yadi so mi chiro do jako de nuare kaladika ke dir kana da na kanware wajin baji suspend ke baji jo kum kirmi yadi Akajolin Yanamagwasame, Shilar Jotuan charges suspend Lieutenant General James Kwang Shorale, Governor of Apnal State. Shower me charge to Benwale, Kajan Wargadana Shagor, and Honorable Commissioner Dung Mayut, Ler Jotuan, Charger Kapchong, near Waleka Jordana Charlotte. Ngode ban lero kon bana kalinka dobadan en kwaje wikeje ban men chalat gwasame comedian di alanteme chalat ni jenwo jen chaje kapchong en ler jotuan kana ok detail dobadan en kwaje kapchong gaje achang ni warga eme menen kono gwasame kana kon latin no dobadan wikeje e ngulo de mone kana ko lat kejen wargam chalan jenwo chaler jotuan chaje suspend no ken activity de kono kwa suspend gaje kan ga kolat but according to Ramos ke Jordan lat ke gaje gojen kwaje suspend ka kwisiaza ka degojen gojen chachi bon kel ka kume merwai ke kirme yadit so jo me bana moditel bana kaling muwete mu le rode badwarga ajen momenen yen mone so bana wo ka le rode dien mede konaling rewi ka Sudan jo ban lingwa seme ron mishala ni wote ke teacher te cha yoken cha ka kwal yo to wa ka yo de kebela salaries bana jellin ka kor ka mi ko raji me chana jellin ka to kwaine ken yam bana je kun ka to kwaine den ka kore bana kula ben ka do badande kon lat ka je ka tongnat. In Warabi State, army robbery attacked teacher at St. Daniel Komboni Secondary School in Woonrock Town, Trish County. The robbery happened on Friday night. The robbers stole the teacher's salaries worth 9.5 million South Sudanese pound. They also took 3 smartphones and 12 clothes. One teacher, Mr. Angelo Ashwandeng, told this story. He said the robbery happened at about 10 o'clock at night in Woonakech village, where their teacher lived. 2 teachers had gone out to attend a traditional night dance. When they came back, the robbery followed them. The gunmen then entered the house. They beat the teacher and took their money and belongings. Mr. Achwan said, I was injured on the head. Teacher Samuel Lual was badly beaten with a gun on the head and body. Another teacher to a neighbor house and was served. Teachers inside other room were injured on their legs. One teacher was slapped on the face. The robber took the money, the phone, and the clothes. The salary had just arrived that day. The money was supposed to be given to the teacher the next morning, but the robbers came before the teacher could receive it. The army men also used their weapon to stop teacher from seeing their faces. This showed the robbery was carefully planned. So jolin kona me gwan me chara ngo cha teacher cha yuken cha kamach yor toni wa pai ke ben ke pai ke nun ka juba yoti 9.5 million chala do ken de ken yodo kan will kula the following days ko pai ke ben no dai we ko warap state kan sure to wa chu ko dordan and teacher tikten gwan me chala send Daniel Kombone secondary school ko na Rock Town ka Twitch County. Watch you need to sure at all work a Friday night chuga ben ka war you can use in content the teacher salary nikian to shop 9.5 million South Sudanese pound you can ka kwal you can kamach chala do ba you can telephone you can nang smartphone to shop ko doki kan nang ka kan bene dang waro you can nyom nang kan ka bom ci teacher kal chelaro nene won mishal Mr. Angelo a chwandeng chelaro nene ajane kan sure be kan ka ta wel ka wer la 10 p.m. o'clock at night kawuna catch village ajan gwada dan en sheng teacher sheng gatin kiengech chwa nge dangaro ke teacher dangaro wa chika orar take a traditional night dance mi chiko tin kula la lunden joko wa chwa chu gor netin kondila chur an gwasamo wa naga bendian mi chiko chul duelo no ke gwa bigatin shushore yo kap no kalundian jok macha ka ba wa chwa ka doje long na chwa yo ken chwa ka mat ka chwa ko ken dial chwa ka kare duel mi sara shwan chela do ne ajene chaje moy ka bot wide aje teacher Samuel wal wajen chaje doje long no ka chama chaje rom wide jen wa dwai ke je ka mat no ka tar mat no ka gor ga jen o barka ke wa rum ne ka mach teacher radian mit tie ka kana wajen telemishi wache ngaj dor mtiken kai kaje teacher radian wa chigren gagdulen barawakan cha chuken cha mu ka bor lo cha chuken cha gaditol teacher ka radian jene cha padwanda no an gwada mo cha kwa ken dial telephone ken men be ni ken cha yo nang ka yo to chop ka 9.5 million South Sudanese pound cha gan dial chu nang gwada dan en cha ka de nakten kan yo pai ka chupa wa pai ka non ka gwada dan tikitin shi ka yo to tenwon no ka ko de kula kaf ka karunwang no mishi pincha bag de yo de kula dag de teacher de kula moch ke ngech ko yo pai kanong ajan do badan chi yo to chi ka chu jen ka je ke cha ka kep ka je jo len kona me ta dana cha yo cha na je yo to no ke juba dio je ki no je we do dien en dora me dora jane ka jan gwada dana wa yo ken wa ka mai tin chire me shana lingane ngobi mai ki yo ken so Sudan la ken chuer de ala ti ke ti cha train already le shi ngai kana no kan teacher ko na chi jien mi chi ka lo guardian lundian jok dorin ko wa chi o ka nai dan chi o club dio je nai club ko la lundian jok chwa ga chu lele chwa ga chu gor anetin ko ne la chuer teram cha na ka but cha doing ka ramkel cha pat den ka te ko ken chalat ka cha chu ken cha do right now do conclude ko what if they plan for this kan e ko la ngech mi chi kana ko la plan ka sure ke no nanga yor jo ka 9.5 million ko teme tere mi cha capital chur mi cha kap anyo kan chue pan ken chi kan wan ken chi kan ga kum ke bene de ko la ngi ti ka gwada den cha ga de mi ngi ma dong so jo me de ra me de ko na ling ano yor ya top kana ga juba wa ti cher wa ka mo ke yo ko ngai ko no tele salary all this civil servant kan yo kan ngam jek don yan chang na no de yo de kan jek but sex de mi shina mo ya to cha yo dia la yo nang na ka so cha jo mo cha jalat kuma South Sudan kenetin kontin la police ni chala do ne after the robbery police in Wunarok Payam started an investigation. Police officer Lieutenant Colonel Atem spoke about it. He said, "We arrested 5 people, 4 men and 1 girl. These people met the suspect on the road before the robbery. We are still searching for the real robber. We want to know if these arrested people are guilty or not. We also want to know if other people were involved. So far, the case is not yet solved. The police continue their search to find the true criminal." Kana gorwa chicken na chicken kayen te ne kan kayen ka januna rok payama mo wa chicken dang de ti go kan o kan tin kon tin dong de yo ti che de kan ka kwal chicken ka kep wa wona dang wan ka nyam kel but chicken nyo lat bono kan ne ti ka suspect ne kan changa jino kan ne ti dong de yo de kan ka kwal but these people je ka da do bolo gwa da dan en dong ge jeno de ti chwerten chwa chu kap but police ne kan ngoda kon tin go ne the real robbery bi kene de konin cha yu cha ga kwal ne shi ga ne sure ga ne ti ne ka captain but gwine no kan ka part of the system ka jo dan chi kalat gwasmene. That is the news today. The governor of Apinal State suspended the Mayut County Commissioner. Teacher in Warab State were attacked by armed robbery. Police have arrested 5 people for investigation. We will keep bringing you update on this story. Jo me no michana linga ta dan che tuɔɔk je che kon le dang jok chana ke lingwasme le re jok de kon lingwasme banar wa che ke do badan en chana cha ko en ke je wude me chwale Alfred Futuyo generam kel ka kuma spelayo gen chala do cha je kwan cha je lat gwade la governor dung Western Equatorial State wude chwal ke me Nathaniel yet ngai kon diara ne me dane chaje wo kana malong ka chang no ba kana che kuma swela yo che structure che jeraleka so ramala le ne chanko bu kuma swela yo bo wonyam jene diala kon den cha suspend che ka kwan ano ana rami mo me cha wo kwar ka ke chaje wo je ke mi yadit kate ga position mi di la jalo ja gwade che wuda me mi chal ka Alfred Futuyo mala kwar ke governor Western Equatoria ne me dane conduct mo cha ne yen gwade dane baje witin kirmi yadit ke order me kan mada kir kene reg machar wajen chwai wujene entame wacha yenyo ko ko ajere stated ka position dane cha wutin entame ajen la Western Equatorial State Governor right corner but jen che de which ka Western Equatoria ka yambio jen jare rokel ke kuma spela yo ngai kondi almadan lero de which in mi ka Western Equatoria ka konin tin pay ke report chala no chikur cherum kam SSPDF kana kuma sfela yon tongami gwade rum kortin chala de wonene ken shikerum rero grubu dan shikerum tin wa jaldi ne SSPDF jel kan ke torbele and when mo chayu pareka kan shagan nagne dangbaro kan kuma SSPDF ka sha chigate jibar tongwan wacha kana gumeramimo mila general mukwer kwarian bane mutere torbiele moni but kwera mo wajen aramkel no wal ka kuma SPL ayo kula de fagne jen kecha tiacho ko kuma ke mi yadit wacha rodo chu jegregan wana moni charo mo chajelat Paul Gabriel Ramdala spokesperson ko kuma SPL ayo ping Dr. Riek Machar de kon dialati de kon kaling ko do badan let ken rodien kaje leren jok ngai ne je gwan wo ma kwaitut chala do ne ne ajene dara ko dara jeter mu kana cha Dr. Machar cha jelun ane gore jeno bian hus nitin be ke rwani ko ken biya ka gore jen gwada dan bana chongten na me bana nyog je kale rodien biya temal bye bye anar malaken yam ka na diale kontin barwani lingwasame kan online TV channel anda mandu ne chankon nyak male no roina gwasame an wala shanga di ko pay bangwan ron kina dangro wide jan dangro wide dich to kon galer de bom to gor kono de koran palpin kaliang dien kan yam gor jano barwacha ka kwi rajadana chala de kum kirma yadit wide shwal ke Dr. Martin Ele Alumoro te ga jom chikana lat ke kwi kwin kwari ke kwin gwene Later doing a banner writing banner right Queen Nuer spiritual leader near Kondila go Kunwari Kaduabadan and taken ga power Kajaki Galwanga Jakanur community banner linkel Kalaramene shit come an shala no makwai chut wajen chejola no gore jeno de Dr. Machar de jalun and then muete charging and Dr. Machar jeni bakor bajango jen muwaring Machar wajelun and then bakor bajapal bana kula right gwasmo commandant lero the Kanwar leader ke spiritual leader in warata dana tikeke so bana jome bana janwa ka Queen Martin no and wala shanga joka pay bangaron kin dangro wid jen dang ro wid dich jen shanga dan linkon rajame no bana chu commandant and latke gwasame Cabinet Minister Dr. Martin Ele Alumoro charai ke jimi dia kare wiki juba the unity government has reiterated its commitment to holding election in December 2026 as the high-level committee on peace implementation called on the finance minister to release fund installment jo chalat gwasame re wicha ka South Sudan chala do ne chi unity government ki kum mandan and don gor o de queen kwar de jalat chi kala do ne kan gor ga jeno ba queen kwar ba jalat ke jen pai wero ron kin dangro jen dangro de bakel ku kan high level committee tilat kamal ke tintamal pindian ne de content kwa peace implementation kwa jala kan wachol kan finance minister no de kan yode kan ka ku release ke de kan yode kan ko jata wana ko de queen kware de lada de jeto Dr. Martin Lumoro, Minister of Cabinet Affairs, stated that the high-level committee on the 20th peace agreement is determined to ensure the election are held on schedule. Jo lada me agwaseme and Dr. Martin lada jengo nene alane conditional ka high-level committee kene de content malte pindian mal 2018 edane chatan Dr. Machar ken kirmiyadit awaken tega ko chicken pit bi jago chicken queen kwar bi jago be ken shajalat ajen metam la kan shot ka ja ka jo kanano ba queen kwar ba jalat but queen kwar gore budget gore yo charge de la lora ba kajo jikalat gwaseme ajene committee Chigadol no gwamnati senior presidential advisor kol manyang juktetin wachi je kadwo badan ba ku inquiry ba jalat kaje chikanje ke electoral institution ko bigoro realeka kadwo badan and ba polling station ba je to ko je ke gotten content ba ku inquiry ba jalatin ngai kono no witung wan la ka gur ken go ba ka moch ka gotten kon ba ku inquiry kulatin mun kwala shole polling station ke poll so kan goda to gur ken ode kan realeka ko ba ku inquiry ba je to ngai kono this is somehow impossible katara ande kon gui je bakre ka gui ken no tiaga long do mi matele South Sudan tele jamal tele mitin so gui kono de en mishit kana me en wana wu kamen chikana lat kajo mu chalat kaje gwaseme Dr. Lumoro chalar wonene chaji institution ka chakali ga long kata dan letken kaje enona liaga ke Dr. Lumoro praised the institution for their progress despite limited initial funding. So generally aganatin kontin la finance kene kontin te malte pindian ano generally kalan magwalong technically our institution have done very well with the small funding that they received initially. They have done a lot of good work, he said. With a small push now we can actually do the election as we want. General chinere kontin la I committee chi wore aleka ki kalan magwa chikana lat kene chi yuji kana gotin kono de tung mal ka joran kalat gwaseme la de jenu jenene ajeni netin kontin gori jen wode mal dere ben wachi gori aleka tiken ga fan miton mishara lekana wal no antame gor ken wode moni ga yuru ton yoko de kan election de kan lat so che jo mo che je kwen en Martin no ngai kono de ala kono lat gori re wike so Sudan no eno ba ku inquire ba jalat dio jen ngai kon madan tokten take requirement ti gore requirement in kona ba ku inquire kaje gurka ke menyam unification of forces makana ko la telewe out chide ngai kona ba force ne dial ba kon unified misha din cha kamat din da ring machar kan din bonten koken misha kula mare den akula bai ko ba ku inquire ba jalat ban makana kon rodin ko realeka tele dom ba ku inquire ba jalat kaje number 2 gore jen wo ba constitution ba je tu kalani la permanent constitution kana kontuk so gorga jeno de jalat ko ba ko inquire ba ko tuk number 3 ndan gorke long wade nete konti la refugees de ko lore wike so Sudan me kan lore wike so Sudan voter what the voters a candidate konti la ji refugees braina Dr. Martin Elia kan ci wona ya ko ba ko inquire ba jalat ka jen pay waro ron ki dangraw wi jen dangraw bakalen be so gujede gujeno belet kangai konante ma koruna jan kawe re wike so Sudan do badana ba ku inquire ba jalat keje ngode take a doubt but we can no ba jalat of course kata dan we can je ngai kona kir ready anytime chen me kona ngach ba je yotin ku inquire no after that bi ngan je no korbe den ko jen la dan lat ke na me chaje ko lat kware ko ken mi chiran ngaje no shi ku inquire je tiak bene to be ga jojen den be election be should from there after that bene ga bukana kwanya la kware after that we should declare era me la legit president me sha kwanya neka so na mo la kur la chwalede kadin bana nyoko nanga another 5 years or 6 years ke 4 years ba ku inquire mudin ba je kulo nyoko lat ke chit ke system lat ke ji Uganda system lat kene chike wudi shalo me Museveni la election la je werike be na be kamach and then yo balaro chapat after that me jeni we going ba joni electoral vote no china chika kwan cha Museveni cha je kwanya so jaram da na kwar so you have nothing to do. So ngai kon me chalat ka wuri chal ka me Bobby Wine amana others candidate content compete ka je point the Museveni, so kind of work out. And then the same style yours ka dem antama kirm yadit. So gui corner de beled wala shabelet. So na me emititin mugur konde konaling ka dobadan en chajalat kije. Ajen ko lan chalat kume kirmi yadit ano ka kui election ka mini char mini ko pingwaza mo gwada me gore jeno barwa cha ka kui nenten kontin la spiritual leader no spiritual leader shire ngai konen wo ka very powerful longa community dan konwere but gore bura ka kui dien ngai kona long an wala kenya mken kono kana meni mani ngaje no nene no spiritual Canadian content ke power ke tin ke long tin chal ke gok no ne de ti dwal no rega ke long so chana jo me chana jelin ke nyam beje kwen ka to English and then ka kore bia mandan le rode bia kula ngach no ana wan tin chana jelin kel. When we talk about the Nuer community of South Sudan, one cannot ignore the deep influence of a spiritual leader. In the Nuer tradition, the spiritual leaders are not ordinary figures. They are seen as people who carry a mysterious power, a power that cannot be challenged, a power that no one dare to go against. Ngai kon mishit kaname, murai kon ke Queen Nuer community ke ta danate Nuer spiritual leader rikeje no tera mede ke challenge. Katera mede bomdian bode je ignore. Kenti ke influence mindi kan Nuer community ngai kone chet kon Nuer tradition ngai kone no to kon ka gok to wan kan gok to kari kon ngor ka ki tiken ki ne ngai kelong kan te ga power misha power ordinary ki rame mo me ranjan bang so mi ci do la ja los ke ka do dana do na khaje kan te ga mysterious power, a power that cannot be challenged, a power that no one dare to go against. Ngai kon medan le rode ci kon medan party ke ci kon de challenge ko ken kanedi cha lon ka gwan mi shiwe so ka kuje mo ne de konti la spiritual leader ne de konti ke power chana merdien chana nyomulin konum gwas me ka kwidien. For a generation, the Nuer people have lived with belief that a spiritual leader can bless, curse, and shape the destiny of individual and even the entire community. This is why whether young or old, rich or poor, men or women, everyone treat them with the highest respect and fear. To defy a spiritual leader is seen as bringing misfortune, not only on yourself, but also on your entire family and clan. Ngai kona long kajan generation ato kontinenta ma kie mechi do jog bene lan Nuer net ken spiritual leaders net kona la gok no ko ne ti ngwandwal ken no la kana da lam la kana da le jek to do na ka ke so ken bo ku ken destiny dung ne na dial ku ken shape mi ga la ro bana wen and special community kala do bana ga do me jen dan la gorke tira na ka jok. So take influence ka use ka take influence ka elder men and ran which danten were taken. So the entire community respect them and fear them. This is why whether young or old, rich or poor, men or women, ever treat them with highest. Lot ka kelong la akmichte gwa mishigo te la ka kam ko lusmidi. Ko dwal na kake ba kam lusmidi no. So na mo an community were kelu no shika ngadin di kanang sholat kungu kan were spiritual leader. Ko na mi shikana lar and then ba je dil ngat entire family ki entire clan so no more amiritin kata dan linkonaje. In everyday in your life, the leader play a role greater than chief or politician. They are more than elder. In fact, they hold the heart of the community. They are believed to carry a force that is close to witchcraft, not in the negative sense of evil magic, but in the sense of supernatural authority. When they say something, people follow. When they want, people obey. So much gonna me ne to ngare dan kone shal nwere re tega dan ngai kone kene kone spiritual leader ngat ke long loka kwar len kana kwar content today which no len kana chief or politician ala chief Canadian content la kwarwich pain ken ke politician were like a and were spiritual leader ke go content tenere nat kan len kan ga man diene len kan ga man din were pain ken so kan rom kan were community pin ngat ka kelong wa kentiken ke force de ga cholo wa chirmutiken commercial we craft but chi ka do me jek but ka do me gwa no ka shi evil magic bo wa kentiken commercial ga supernatural authority mitike ke long menen ken ke je ke michiran do la ra che do look and then ka gwa da mo la wa mi je ke de do dar to ko je jin ramadan chi mi je chilet ke so when they say something people follow, when they want people obey. So micha do la ja gorka ka mi ka la ro nan bai la de ne la kana let So Chakare Jack. So Mishit Kaname, Mangakona Kanwar spiritual leader. Whenever they say something but Laja respect and eating one chicken a go no again by Jelu Michina Moke warning no number talk. Nay the toll a canaling. A gentleman Yanatema native one Mishala no take go machine Malan Diala Canalus. Nuer and youths are like described spiritual leader as the most of God. In this society, if a spiritual declare that something will happen, people believe it's already decided. So much it can make corner. Can work community, which can arone, tembe tuɔɔk, ne dia la kana lus. La kana lus kan dia. No. Ko dol na kake. La kana lus ko ngat kake. So much alarm baje dilat. Example, if a leader say that a certain family should not go to war, that family will not dare to join the fight. If we say a community must unite, the whole community unite. Go panken la go Nuer spiritual leader. Mishra larno chidor macha bo kor. No, chidor macha we kor. Ko micha kor e chikaro the look and gok and then bene tabu go te kariek. La te no more. And young micha community take unity bo. La community la take unity. And the whole community ke la da made. Michi go Nuer micha lat. So ngai kone long. Gong Nuer mi shebra she chaglaro na tika mane dia la kanalus. No shikana lok la kanalus. So ngumi shi gong na kula mat kije. Bana joje ga mat. Barna de jo ne en Nuer spiritual leader lot kake. Lot kake en ideal politician jiwich ne dialos kake. En mi chan dollar la jalos ke chalaro na kur bana kur. So na me jake ne ko ken ko bi ko dalba ke ne kontin la spiritual leader. This level of respect has made a spiritual leader the silent power broker in the Nuer world. Even politician, even general, even rebel commander fear them because they know that the spiritual leader have the ability to mobilize thousands of Nuer youth within a day. Nating one bel kenke, nating kon la gok, kalus kenke. Ko en Nuer spiritual leader, mishika dualar, you know, awala la tuoge. So can the Nuer ki win mon Nuer lot ka ke long lot ka ke amen len kan politician changi politician ja dollar mi kan go kan do ko la politician ba go je lo tele lo changa mi te ga tele en po en gok Nuer ki spiritual leader len ka manager general tin kon in the core len ka rebel commander tin kon in the core ban ko no our spiritual leader lot ka ke ko kan tika ka ability mi kan laram temen wo ba Nuer use ba ka mobilize ka gwatot they can mobilize right now chicken de jen mi ka lar jene dial ti ka be kan Nuer to kon dial ka be one dial ka din gather ka na gwa da na tikatin nei kona dia oja shi mudong de kach no mi chika do la to no nan ba jala la jalatke joga na no kwa ka gor pon yok panken biga chuban tema ko lot ka ke ko kan tiken ka power ma dana tikake so na me nei kona in South Sudan complicated politics where tribal loyalty and community influence play a big role. A spiritual leader have become a key actors. Politicians know that they cannot ignore them. If a spiritual leader speaks against you, the youth will turn their back on you. If he bless you, the people will rally around you. This is where the story of Makwai Tut comes. So much it can be lat kona mentame. Much gok chejalaro one jin politician mo le mi show the lot. Wa jin politician ba jin look and ideal kontlan ware. No. Ko miche jo chejetu la jalu ko jira momo. So a spiritual leader can cheer and right ke je kene kona politician ko lenyaka. So miche dollar no me bajal la jalat ki immediately. Ke miche jen biya je kon mo ke kwak miche mo ke kwak yo den dong borokula palpinga do badan shi ade won yal ke je. No, miche jugno la de ka shala den chabo kor be bet ka bede ban miche look be ngane be la ler ko lot ka je den banawu ba la dana walat ba jola. So that is why do na ke wuri shal ka Makwai Tut ka je chana na malin ka ku Makwai Tut. Makwai Tut is one of the most respected Nuer spiritual leader. People believe that he has a special power to protect, to lead, and even to curse. His voice is strong among the Nuer people, especially in Upper Nile. When Makwai Tut speaks, it is not just one man speaking. It is the voice of thousands of Nuer warriors, mothers, and youths. Because of this influence, even President Salva Kiir Mayardit, the leader of South Sudan, is careful not to openly go against him. Kiir has been told by his advisors and generals that it is dangerous to challenge Makwai. If Makwai say he will fight the SSPDF, then it is better to listen to him because his words are not enmity. So jo lin kon magwaso me Makwai ko general mimo milot ke Nueri ko Nuer spiritual leader ngat ke jelong no jen take a special power. So antem motogane mishi la de jek special macharaje tema kanere konti la jikero no goro jen wo baring machar bajulun kashi lok jira mo already bajulu Nuer community ke Nuer konti la ngwene no so ko mi jo te jela nteme en wona mi bajelat bajedilat ko take a power no micha dollar wajen la ja gor ke ngwene dial ajen mo na ke Makwai tudenteme. So kujo mo cha prison self ke me yadi cha jogo no na muguri jen obi pinba gwa guri jen o jin shibu against Makwai. That is why she anen chala do sha delegation sha ka jak ka Makwai ko bana ro keje una ro keje ko jen shibu kor ka chebinyen ke dine SSPDF ko mu nyin ke dine SSPDF no dere lariek amenitin kone no kwike me yadi ne konti la politician panken bode kan ngaji no chike garek a changa don wal chike na de don so ngade jena mo a jom chala de no so chala de wona ne kilme yadit goro jen o dere right ke Makwai ko dere mal dere je jatu wana chede kor ke piji kanti ka penal ke malakal right now amle roda. Why Kir fear him? The fear is simple. If Kir ignores Makwai, he risks sparking a wider civil war. Imagine if Makwai declared that the SSPDF, the South Sudan People Defense Forces, are enemies of the Nuer people. That declaration alone would ignite anger across Upper Nile and other Nuer land. Thousands of young men, often called the Nuer Wyoming, would rise up. They would see the fight not just as a political struggle, but as a spiritual mission. No president wants to be in that situation. Kir know that if he pursued too far, Makwai could capture Upper Nile, one of the most strategic and resource-rich region of South Sudan, that would not only weaken the government military, but also damage its image across the world. It would show that Kir cannot control his own country. So jo mi chikene me mlin kone me and wa mishi Makwai ntame sharar no wona ne shejo ru shelu ke chero di chelu gin Kir mi yadi ne manam de to okay ko michi Kir mi yadi micha kana Makwai kana je convince ntame civil war batuok mu etiche je Makwai che lele shejeling ko thousands of Nuer youth bekan Makwai bekan lel bekan join bik jegaja. That the power of Nuer spiritual leader, power dana chekeke and power more point cha gurno de Kir mi yadi dare je ignore ko mi Kir mi yadi weje le kuje abe nyenke Makwai kene ne kon la de nyeke ke Nuer Wyoming cha thuk civil war be chuta wana bin wadi albugo rodien chu unite ajen nen yana tama jel kware konti la kwan Nuer konti ke Kir mi yadi gor kano de Kir mi yadi dare yu dare ga jagdare ga jam Makwai de Makwai che korche je deter batek mi cha lar Makwai jenne ajen ba kur be je pel ni mi cha dakru ma cha cha konluñ ke chen bo kur mi cha dakru mi cha cha luñ. Of course ngai kone la tok and lowering ma cha is the solution to all of the problem. Cha la de no ajen mo kan cha luñ dakru ma cha know what be kur be to wana no recently, Makwai has taken a strong stand regarding Dr. Machar, the first Vice President of South Sudan and leader of the SPLIO opposition. Machar has been under restriction, almost like a house arrest, for 5 months. Many more people see this as an insult, an act of betrayal against their leader. Makwai stepped in and made his demand clear. Kir must release Dr. Machar. Kir must release Dr. Machar, he said. His warning was also clear. If Kir refused, then Makwai will not sit quietly. He has threatened to mobilize his followers to fight the SSPDF and to capture Upper Nile. This is not just a political talk. When Makwai speaks, people believe action will follow. That is why Kir is working carefully. He knows that ignoring Makwai demand is like playing with fire. Jo mishit kana me gui kona me Makwai che demand ka chekala already. Cheke me yadi che jogo no jin luñ dak ring machar abrar and then bokor batok. Luñ kwer kum SPLIO mu wije luñ ti dial bika go. No. So anya ngai kona no yen Dr. Machar long chere ka kwit kan wari cause ramicha yen lora bang ka jaram dan la public figure mangai kene je politician ka kwer ka gor ga jen wer dial ka je kel awana me kwin mi di long kan wer community 5 man titere ti jien changaran che jore shelep wa jen mission Nuer spiritual leader ma kwai tu jen che ben yal ka jemo joga na no mu te sharing ma char chajelun and then korbete wano kana me eriek ngai kon dwal ken ke civil war kana wo ngai kon Nuer community ne wen la ti daglane ne kon lut ken ka lun ka Nuer spiritual leader mission Nuer spiritual leader shi romat and then la win Nuer la jojen wo direct ka mal mutitin ko la to ko Nuer ngat kan it kon la Nuer spiritual leader. Guadame, the situation shows us that the way that spiritual leaders carry in the Nuer community, they are not elected. They do not run for office, but their power can shake government. They control not just the mind of the people, but also their heart and spirit. Allah will down and take a spiritual leader. Ki woman and bunga ke. Kan ran man kwanya no jini bijina kwar kan teleko office minur katin but ne kan ka power bom yen karwade wajaga kuma ko be right ka do brande mal dar wukaje ko me kanaling na mo la togo no bidiek borode lat. For the Nuer, the spiritual leader are guardian of tradition, protector of the community, and defender of justice. When they speak against injustice, the people listen. When they warn of war, the youth prepare. So Nuer can quart and call and Nuer spiritual along. Ko ken awa ken ideal kon ken it contoram ken Nuer tradition ten. Awa gang ken Nuer community ken la ken atni am nishyang mutie gring mudi michin Nuer chika denak. Chika na mentame kena kunak ajen mjejen ma kwadro da kajamo no chetel shabdo dien. Kido no ba Nuer baga jaga bitelot. The big question now is, what will K do? Will he listen to Makwaitud and release Dr. Machar, or will he risk a new war in Apenal? For many Nuer, the answer is already decided. They stand with the spiritual leader. They believe that if Makwaitud say the fire is coming, then the fire is already on the way. But for the country of South Sudan, this is a dangerous movement. It shows that peace is still fragile. The leader like here cannot govern by ignoring traditional power, and that spiritual authority is still matter as much as political authority. So many kon magwasame adobadan and de kon ngake jeno mu te chikin mi yadit te joma kwaitu tejeling what will happen ngum butuok akolar no change or channeling so ngai kon no korbatedi barolat which kapanal kashe bugwa ke kuma sa Sudan no mane ken de largati te kuin kwarlat ke all this thing bika tel melat kene bika bang ne so jenadan and gor kon do kon lingane mane. So Nuer spiritual leader ki kwar kon la go tin ngat ken Nuer taken care power me dit along power yen and take mu use ken mu ku ken le use lo mat ken Nuer dar gwalo so na me be ke tami mo te kon karik ka jang ke kum kir mu yadit gwan me shane kon cha ken go ready ke sharing ma char cha de yen kan ne ko ken kel so what remain man ci do karwade a jen kor kie bi mal beben akan dangro chido da tama ajen menen yenan tama chinwel spiritual leader Makwaitud ta jore cheo kamba dio je men go ko ken dio je bu ko rach ko lot ka ke chana rajnen ke tan chi wen wonena ala take delegation ya kwanya kire kene de content ka yuden yinemi kwan ken ko bu go rach ke Makwaitud delegation nan ka jel kan ka yu so no more wakan makwai kan jeling so that is why nen konantama people are frustrated we can obu korbaro a lot komo te cha makwai cha jawre chaling but one thing remain michalara makwai mo te cha jelat Dr. Machar al wenkeje ajen jodan enche lar ka je kejen the last thing adan chalar so ku kon manana be to nyam ko kor gwasen be anda mandu ni chan ko nyamle nan roine gwasme en wala changa dokka pay bangon ron kin dangraw udi jan dangraw udi dich. Please gor no be lar ko kenen be bi kegwich ko tandien gor ken liang nono en bi atkamal bye bye ner malaken yam ka nas dialtin kontin liang ka raino gwasame ka Nuer online TV channel to kon ke update mi bana liang gwasame update mo mi sha gor no mi gor no de nywa yakel anda mandu ni chan kon nyamle no raino gwasame bana raino ti bana ka link ka do badan en token keje gwasame shala do nene shi native konila kume nyankir ma yadit wa ken jikana gorno bi ken gok ke Makwaitud wa gorkano de ken gup no wa ken jikana do nene chikana lat ken de konila jikume en wonene akeni antame Makwai ken Nueri ke man Nueri wari al karodi ne ka re dwar shal ka yut gorkano bi ken apanal bi ken mak so na me Michigan lat ken netin kontin de kelka ma quite to the langwane nuari ken panken netin kontin chung kel ke Dr. Riek Machar namo melat kenen tama rajame michi kuma jala da ken na ken de ni nuari no ken tama chigro de realeka nuari use no tin chung kel ke kuma spele ayu wa chigro de realeka no ke ke wooden shal ke makwai tut ko waken ichi ken rodin mobilize ke chori ala ke logor ken o ede ken kode ken kapka panal state no ineti matken kel ke Dr. Machar ken cha kan information mo ku kan logor no de wooden shal ke makwai tut ko wa gor ge en go jen de jam tiat ke de jam mo ke yo ko jen da mandana le de je kapchong ajom ken la te gwasame according to local authorities wike jonglei state Kayut County kenene chingwana nueri sharudian realeka Kayut dorochalga Magog village a part of PG County ka wa kenjel ke nueri special leader urishal ke makwajone makwai tut kor wa ken gor keno ede ken apnal de ken yuan mach name e report menonke e kume kirm yadi so raja dana lat ken gwasmene midde kon right tin la PG County san ngajin wo ne na chikorja tok tin ko pen te kon de payu to kur mdi teten an ngai kon dial madan le rode re wichin binemi ano ne dial shirmen ngai kon no kuma gore jeno der no werde ke displace gondi kenen kontiktin ka ngai kon ben wo to ne shang so mishit ken man tam murai kon ke kwida me ajen muku kan war gala gor ke jeno gor ken ode kan makwai tu de kan kok nona wa kuma spela yo no ko konin ten pai wa chero de aleka chere ngai kone lat ke je kuma no chi Dr. Machar chero de aleka so ko kuje montama la kuma spela yo charen mat ken Nuer wa ami ki ken jechen bor so gor kano biken malakal ki apnal biken mak dorashal ke PG ke jen gwa dano tikitin so mugu ikone la tuok de ko la no kuma gore jeno dere no tanke dere ka silent ko chike jodi chicken de to ke chike de right no mo ngai kon dialen go lat ke je kume dung kirmi yadit so mi chita mo leden tama ku ko la ro dan le no ne alamal mu gore jeno be ben la tok den de kirmi yadi dere jo la public voice nan gore kano de link de ken link ko jen rob dan mal ben ge shimal che ben lora bang chamal che jenok so kurdana to ka panal state me channeling chikon ngaje no pan ka je chikor chetwo dorashal ke tonja chikor to chanakenen so ne ka pai we dan la February chikon ngaje no kor choro tuk na nasir choro de tup wade dan shi ngwane nuari ken je kirma yadi chikinyen are kore dan chikon te kon lat ko den ten chanakenen ya te rik ngwan lung to la rodian so go kujamo chagu jenu an kureme ko cha to ka nasir badil we wonyam kum kirmi yadi so gu kana no me cha Nuer kon te nasir cha ka ma ke chikan kan nak chen ne ga ni na ga je ken to benwer ko ken bugrian mobilize ki bugri alaka bikanetin kontin lan Nuer tin te nasir no biken kan lok ka cha gore ken no de Nuer kon te nasir de kan lok jenta ala gor no de kan Nuer te ya nak dorien kerme kon ngajene cha kon level ke part ni dangro ya kon print two categories awate ke Nuer loga kirma yadit ke Nuer te no ke kirma yadi jan do be down e cha kon level ke je ngai kon me cha la de ne so ene me karwade yu de jeno kon cha kon goro en go de kon da jem la yana ne tam miti ram chu je rode me lar tok Nuer kon te kel ke kirma yadit ba jogono jang yote ba tok da pat ba jogono bine so ne me ngunyo dama wa Nuer ye naga kel keli chuaru dun reale ke chuati ke unity ko dong de yen kume de yen le joj ke de yen doy ke ta dan de yen gwi ke jamone so ajen me le rode entama kake akene ne me ja joja gwan wone na chinuari chi uren reale ka ta dan lat kene ja karama dan gwi ken go nang Nueri niam wa ajen wuri shal ka me makoy tut so ken makoy tut chine gorno berode jk ben Nuer be ka reale ka so me le rode entama ka kwije mone ken me chine gor ka mishit kana mone ka jom chalat gwasa me teram churai gwasa me wun mishal ke jeme chol jek Youth County Commissioner yala de wonena jene makwai tut jene che ngwana Nueri che gari alaka wuri chale jeme chol jek wa Youth County Commissioner so ngai konit kon tekel ke kirmi yadi so gana goro bukan Nueri bukan ga gwany no wajen ci roda yalika ka che ngwan nueri che ka lat gwa kel e jim chol jega no mo mran nueri you see nuer gonye nuerin koken che togo no chala ro ma kwai tudi yal ro de ka ken ngwan nueri che jo mo che lad ko kan bukan kur bukan nan ka penal ka jo ran che lat gwa same jene en ma kwai tut tema che ne dial che real ka gwa mo che chular no ne I had to cancel my mission in Juba to return to Ayod on 31st July 2025 gwa de danish en gude me che ngadre che cancel en gude shal ka me jeme chol je ko jene we ka Juba but cho goro bolo ka Ayod ko tene te kwa real katin ti shal ka tila ngwane nwere ka gurga jeno be kor mo bal rod laden gwa mo so mi shit kana me shi kana laden no shi kume no me la kume mangai kone okay sorry ishi kume men la kume Dr. Machar cho da mat kel ke kan spiritual leader kana mo shi kana gor kan nuare kana ka goli mite nuar michro de jech badil gor no ba wide baje duche jem nen yan tam nuar mich kan ngaje no te nuar bumbum ba gor nuare baje gor no baje lele baje mu kerek ibenetin kona shunga kirmi yadi de tambo they are not safe de kon laron kode run mi ro de jeje to wi kan nuari wi ga jogo no cha kon lel ne ke cha lel ne no baje lel the same way in lat ken tama ka kan ne kon ti la nuare ka Dr. Machar so jiram bumbum mo cha bu gor no bu nuar bi kel wak mi cha changa je no jenti ke follower ke te ne to gor ka ji baje del gor no baje do hapin so na me le ro den tama na me e update mit de gwano de yana linka ta da nan shi kuma kirm yadi chori ale keje ko benetin kon tin la nuare okay en gwad chori ale katinoni mede ka ren mat keje be karam da nan ka be ken le gui ke do brande ken gui keje ke de nyen keje ba yi gorno ba der ba do pin so wori shal ka me chol jen chol jek jemi chol jeram dan la commissioner cha jola no gwaz menen jenene Chol condemned Makwaj move and said he was unable to stop him. I sent him to a delegation over a month, but he only lied about his intention. He recently made it clear to one of my delegation leader called Thuk that he will only be stopped by the release of Dr. Machar. He revealed, I'm convinced that he is ready to attack, but he is still far from PG because he will first have to go to areas of Pajil and Noranyang, attempt to contact Ayud SSP Commander John Matwet and Makwaj Tut were futile. So right now, wuri chala chuola jan jaro ikema Makwaj Tut che Makwaj Tut jogo no jin chu kor ano che Makwaj jogo no muguri no bia ka pinya lo chan bo kora lo nya Dr. Machar men bia peno wa kor enemy cha Dr. Machar cha jo kon lu cha jo mo cha jo kwen so me de kolar no Makwaj ko jana nuer menga jeno nuer shuke so ngaje je la togo mandana latke ngaje je jen mugi na tama gore jen go chaje la move de manana lede chaje bu gurno baje yar so jen dana tuɔɔk so cha Makwaj gom chai jogo no jina di lo jok ko gone no jin bi road watch ka system ledene batte ga jogo no bia Dr. Machar bia ja konluñ and then ba kula pel and gwad dana waten again information dan le road ne me ka jen dana gorno de nyoga yekel bana nyoji ka le rodien ci de peru jino bi nyane ko ken bia ta mal babay